If you're experiencing delayed sound while gaming on your PC, Bluetooth audio lag can make games feel unresponsive and ruin the overall experience. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Bluetooth audio lag while gaming on a Windows PC. And the first thing that you should check is your distance from the Bluetooth device. So I need you to move closer to your Bluetooth device. Bluetooth performance can degrade when there are walls, furniture, or other electronic devices causing interference. Try moving your headphones or speakers closer to your PC and see if the delay improves. For the best connection, stay within a few feet from your PC. Then remove physical obstacles when possible. Avoid placing your PC behind desks or metal objects. Then you might want to try to disconnect unused Bluetooth devices. Having multiple Bluetooth devices connected at the same time can sometimes increase latency. To disconnect unused devices, open Settings, click the Bluetooth and Devices, review connected Bluetooth devices, disconnect devices you are not currently using. This frees up Bluetooth bandwidth and may help reduce lag. And of course, you need to make sure that you update your Bluetooth drivers. Outdated drivers are one of the most common causes of Bluetooth audio issues. To update your Bluetooth driver, right-click the Start menu, select Device Manager, expand Bluetooth, right-click your Bluetooth adapter, select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. After updating, restart your PC and test your audio again. And then, another option that you can do is run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooting. Now, this is one of the most overlooked options because Windows include a built-in troubleshooter that can automatically detect Bluetooth-related issues. Now, to run it, open Settings, go to System, select Troubleshooter, and then click the other troubleshooters, find Bluetooth, click Run, and follow the on-screen instructions and apply any recommended fixes. And consider using a dedicated Bluetooth adapter. Some built-in Bluetooth adapters have higher latency than newer models. If you are experiencing lag, consider using a USB Bluetooth 5.3 or newer adapter that supports low latency audio codecs. Many gaming-focused Bluetooth adapters provide noticeably better performance than older built-in adapters. And of course, you might want to try using a wired audio for competitive gaming. If you play fast-paced competitive games such as shooters, rhythm games, or esports titles, even low-latency Bluetooth may introduce some delay. For the lowest possible latency, you can use a wired headset, USB gaming headset, and connect through a 2.4 GHz wireless gaming receiver. These options typically provide much faster audio responses than Bluetooth. And basically, that's how you fix the Bluetooth audio lag while gaming on your PC. By updating your Bluetooth drivers, reducing interference, disabling hands-free mode, and using low-latency audio codecs, you can significantly improve audio synchronization and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If you found this helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications for more PC troubleshooting and gaming tutorials just like this one. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Drop your comments below if you have any suggestions, and we will see you again in the next video.